I was having a conversation with my colleagues about insurance. So I posed a question: what do you understand about insurance? And sure enough, they understand insurance, but only on the side of negativity. One of them quickly told me, how come after insuring my motor vehicle, I have not claimed? Why is it that they're not returning the premium or the amount that I paid? They have to pay because I didn't have a claim and my money just went like that. So this pointed to a bigger picture that there is an awareness that is lacking within the citizens. Yeah. When you insure a motor vehicle or any other property and you don't claim, it doesn't mean that the insurance company has to return you the money that you paid to them. Insurance is actually giving you that peace of mind. It is covering you to be comfortable, to ensure that you are not worried that your property will be stolen, will be destroyed, or anything bad happening to your property that will render you into financial difficulties. That is what is covering you. So you sleep comfortably knowing that if anybody steals my car, the insurance company will compensate. That is what is being covered there. And when I talk about awareness, it is very common that people look at insurance from the perspective of having no benefit at all, at all. Yeah. Like, for example, when you talk about life insurance, automatically there are people who tell you that God is the one that protects life and not insurance. So don't talk to me about life insurance. Yeah. When you talk about you know, having education policy, they tell you that it takes long and I may even have to invest in other ventures so that I have money and I pay for education. Now, clearly you can see that there is a lot of awareness that need to be carried on to this citizen so that they appreciate the products of insurance. They see how or which product suits them and then they can be able to buy. Because insurance is working hard to customize this product to ensure that at least every individual needs are catered for. But still, people don't appreciate that and the intake is so low. So much of the awareness need to come through, and people have to appreciate this. For example, let's look at medical insurance. Yeah, medical insurance is better if it is taken at an earlier stage because it is not favorable for you at advanced stage because you age and insurance medical cover becomes also expensive. So when you take it earlier, you may have to go through the waiting periods like illness 30 days, yeah, surgical procedures 90 days, yeah, for if it is for maternity that is 10 months or 1 year. So these ones you go through them at once and now you start growing the policy. So as the insurance company revamps this cover, they are with you in the system. Yeah, when they introduce any benefit, they are with you in the system. So when you get this, you are at an advantage because the reputation you have with the insurance company is at your favor. Anybody who comes through at a later stage may have to pay more because insurance is rated according to age and so many other factors. But age is number one because that is what determines what premium you're going to pay. So when you have or you are in a position to have this cover, you are capable, you can purchase this cover. You would rather have it earlier on than wait. But how come people are in a position to have this cover and they don't get it? Yeah. So you find that somebody is able to buy this cover, he doesn't get it, but a certain need forces him to go and get this cover because he or she felt that at that moment it was not necessary to have this cover. So that is when you go to the insurance company looking for this cover and you realize that first you would have taken this cover earlier, but you didn't. So you need to go for medical examination maybe. They look at the report. If there is a condition that is going to come through, they look at it and decide. So the worst they can do is reject giving you that cover completely. So at a point that you thought you would have the cover is the point that you will never ever be able to enjoy those benefits. So that is why we advise people who are in a position and capable of acquiring this medical cover to take it as earlier as possible. Because with the age, so many things happen. There are some conditions that come with the age, and insurance companies would not want to have all these benefits spread over to this particular age people with these conditions. So they limit it. Yeah. For example, if you want a limit of 1 million cover for medical cover, they may have to determine what conditions, underlying condition you have. Yeah, if you need 2 million, 3 million, 4 million, so they may restrict you. They may even decide that you only have 1 million and maybe not 3 million because of the age bracket and some underlying conditions. So if you took this cover earlier on, they would consider you because you are in the system and they are seeing your progress and they know this is our person. We need to do what? We need to do the best for him or her. But when you come at that particular period, it becomes very disadvantageous to you, whereby you are denied this particular service. So the earlier you take this medical cover, the better for you.